Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type Microsoft Store. As you can see on the top here, Microsoft Store, click on it, open it. Now on the home page, go to search bar and type WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp and click on download. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. You have to download and install on your Windows 11. After installing it, click on open, then click on get started. You can scan the barcode here from your WhatsApp which you are using on your Android as well as on iOS. You can get your directly connect your WhatsApp to desktop by scanning this barcode. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to install WhatsApp on your desktop laptop PC. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.